Expert Course B1P22E. Edge blend with the options. Stop short of corner. Corner setback. With this expert course you will deepen your knowledge of edge blending with the following exercise. The necessary edge blends are to be modeled at the tip of a deep drawing mandrel. To avoid unnecessary processing, only the tip is rounded. To avoid cracking at the case corners of the sheet metal part, softer edge blends are created. Create base body. Create the sketch centered on the coordinate system and the basic body with the extrude command in -C direction. Create the threaded hole. To create the desired edge blend, two options must be combined, which are now briefly introduced. Stop short of corner. The stop short of corner option allows you to blend parts of a selected edge. One or two endpoints can be selected to limit the edge blend. Their position is moved by dragging with the left mouse button, or also swapped. Concrete positions can also be defined as arc length, or percentage of arc length. Corner setback. The corner setback option allows for a softer case corner. After selecting at least 3 edges that have a common corner point, this corner point is selected. Then the desired setback per direction can be set. For the course, both options are combined. Create edge blends. First select the vertical edges and enter the radius R6. Click Add New Set and select the horizontal edges and enter the radius R5. Expand stop short of corner and click Select Endpoint. Select an endpoint and enter 60 as the arcade length. Repeat the step on the other edges. Expand the option corner setback and click Select Endpoint. Select an endpoint and enter 4 for all setbacks. Repeat the step at the other corner points. Conclusion. This ensures that, on the one hand, only the tip of the deep drawing mandrel has to be skimmed off with the cutter and, on the other hand, the case corners are prepared to be softened again if necessary.